following counties: Blanco, Burnett, Hayes, Travis, and Williamson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible
Seriously? You did that in my video?
Stay tuned to NOAA
You did it in my video.
commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
You will make another one.
I cannot make another one because this is a severe thunderstorm watch and was just issued. So
The Austin Bergstrom climate summary for this evening.
I cannot